Time now for Money Matters Nashville. We're with Wes Wood, president of Wood Financial Group, talking taxes, specifically during retirement. You don't want to overlook it. Walk us through, and let's start with ordinary income tax. What is it?
There's a lot of different types of taxes. So ordinary income tax is going to be whatever tax bracket you in. You may be at 0 to 10. You could be at 10 to 12. You could be at 12 to 22. You could be at 22 to 24. So whatever bracket you're in is where your top dollars of your income are going to land. Give you an example. If you make more than $83,000 married filing jointly, then you're going to be at a 22% tax rate. Now, that doesn't mean that all your income is retroactively taxed at 22%. It's just those top dollars. That's ordinary income.
Gotcha. Okay, dividends.
Yeah, so obviously a lot of retirees live off of their dividends. There's ordinary dividends and there's qualified dividends. Very important difference. Ordinary dividends are going to be taxed at ordinary income tax rate, which is odds are is higher than a qualified dividend, which is taxed at a lower rate. So you want to know where your dividends are coming from to ensure you're paying lower taxes.
Okay, we talk about retirement income, capital gains.
Capital gains is another one. So a lot of people live off of capital gains distributions. One thing you're going to want to know is if you hold your stocks, your portfolio over a year, you're going to pay long-term capital gains, which odds are is going to be less than short-term, is going to be a much less rate than it would be of short-term gains, which means you sold it within the year. So tax planning can be complicated, but it's extremely important to get these nuggets right to have the least amount of tax in retirement.
Yeah, because you want to be saving your money. Okay, so moneymattersnashville.com is a place to go because you guys put together a guide, a real resource to have that plan.
We do. Within our offices, we do taxes, investment planning, and some estate planning as well. And we put together this guide for folks. You can go to moneymattersnashville.com and take charge of your taxes. And it's the knowledge you need to be proactive with your tax planning. And since we're nearing the end of the year, this is the time you're going to want to do it.
All right, moneymattersnashville.com.